Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a zombie crayon. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our zombie crayon, let's begin up here. So I'm going to start right here, and we're going to begin by making a line that just comes across, and you can see it's at a little bit of a curve. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And as I bring it down, I'm going to make a couple little bumps in here like this. Then I'm just going to continue to bring it down. We'll do the same thing on this side. I'm going to bring this line down. You can make it a little bit bumpy and wavy in different spots. Then we're just going to bring it straight across like this. Now I'm going to put a little wiggly line in here. Now starting up here, for the top of the crayon, we're going to make a line that comes up, and you can see it's at an angle. We're going to go over. Then as I come down, I'm going to do that same thing that I did over here. I'm going to make a couple little bumps in here, and then I'm going to bring it down. Now I'm going to put some little bumps in here like this. And then let's go ahead and add some little curls in here, just so it kind of looks like the crayon's brain is sticking out. I'm going to make a line across, and I'm going to put a couple little triangles on here, just to make it look like it's kind of beat up looking. We'll do the same thing down here. Just go down, put a couple little bumps and wiggles in there, and then bring it across. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, and then I'm going to make another circle for an eye right here. Underneath the eye, I'm going to make a little line that curves up, just to make it give or have like a little bit of a zombie effect. Right here, I'm going to make a sad face for the mouth. And I'm going to make a line across. I'll put a couple bumps in here for some teeth. And a little wiggly line down so it looks like it's drooling. Now I'm going to go ahead and just color in the top of this. Now, starting here, we're going to make that oval in the middle, and as I make it, I'm going to put a couple little bumps on it, kind of like what we did on the top and bottom of our crayon. I'm also going to make a couple little details, like some little hashtag marks. And then over here, I'm going to make a long line, and I'm going to put some little lines across. And then I'm also going to put a couple little wiggly lines and some spots. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little zombie crayon. Now there's always more you can do. You can add things like little worms coming out of here, or little bugs, or whatever. You can do whatever you want, but you can just keep it simple like this and have a little fun zombie crayon. Now I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.